We're here today accepting this amazing 717 from Qantas. This has been in the planning between Qantas and Aviation Australia for nearly 2 years. But to bring that together today is an amazing step forward for the next generation of aircraft maintenance engineers.
It means that apprentices here in Brisbane will graduate with the confidence, the skills and the practical knowledge and how to step straight into a job in this growing industry.
The students find it amazing. They walk straight into the aircraft and see modern equipment, being able to then apply their skills in this modern context.
So this plane itself is obviously very real, and it's very similar to what they're flying out in the real world.
In comparison to other apprentices who are thrown into the workforce without having a practical experience on a training aid, it will give us the opportunity to be more autonomous and excel through our apprenticeship and finish our apprenticeship with a bit more of a skill set.
To those who are going to learn on it, make the most of this great and wonderful opportunity you've been given. It really is the opportunity of a lifetime to be able to get the skills you need, to get the best skills you can, and to join a workforce that we need and that will continue to grow, and that you will have an outstanding career and no doubt wonderful opportunities on.
Getting this aircraft into the hangar was a very complicated process. But with great work between Qantas, Aviation Australia and Brisbane Airport Corporation, we were able to move it across the airport and into the hangar. This aircraft will allow Aviation Australia to provide the most modern and leading edge training for nearly 20 to 30,000 aircraft maintenance engineers over the next 2 decades.